the idea of patient implies that someone has got a passive role, that they're not as smart as us, because we're the doctors, and we know, and they're stupid, and they're the patient. It just doesn't fit. And also, the fact of doctor and patient implies disease and cure. And one of the things we tell people here is that you cannot purchase a cure, but you can earn your health. But the most important thing, if there's one thing that we want to get people to inspire to do before they leave or to take with them, is to be readers. If you're a reader, it doesn't matter if you're 100% raw. You will become raw, because you'll come to realize, but through your reading, that, hey, God, that really makes sense. And just start reading about vegetarianism and veganism. Just start reading about it, and you're going to see that the data is pretty clear. So the best thing I can do is just make sure that they love learning. When someone comes here, they're basically greeted with congratulations, we're glad you made it, and they tell us their war story. A lot of people come here after going to the operating room and after getting radiation and chemo and terrible, terrible, terrible stories. But they come, and I can see that the glimmer in their eye. The only requirement that we really have is, do you want to live? If you want to live, we're going to be with you till the end. And that end, hopefully, is your new beginning into a new life. And what we're seeing here is that most people, 70 to 80% of the people that come here in dire, dire straits, leave with either little or no cancer. If they're going to remain that way, though, that's up to them. And that's hopefully what we've helped them to realize. It becomes obvious to people if you talk about smoking and lung cancer. If someone came in with lung cancer and we got them to quit smoking, and then 9 months later they started smoking, then no one would be shocked that the lung cancer came back. But we don't realize, unfortunately, our society hasn't educated us enough that eating is far, far worse than smoking. There are more deaths caused by the way we eat than all the wars ever.